So, hello guys, this is Harshi from Karim's YouTube channel. So, in this video, I'm gonna explain you how to change theme in Instagram. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's directly jump into the topic. Okay, so firstly, you need to open your Instagram app. Now just go to your profile and click on three lines and go to settings. Here you can see theme option, right? Click on it, and here you can see three options: light, dark and system, right? So in this way you can change theme in Instagram. Thank you for watching.